Hi you guys, welcome to Lavonns.divinetouch. Today I want to go over a sterilizing jar. This is needed for any form of hairstyling. It's called Diane by Form. It's a large 33-ounce sterilizing jar for easy disinfecting of manicure, pedicure, and salon implements. Stainless steel lift basket, 3-4 times 10, large, 33 fluid ounces. Okay. So this is the glass part. I'm not gonna take it off because I can't use it yet, but y'all can see a little bit. Oh wow, it says disinfectant. Oh, okay. Wait, I went on the bottom. One on top, one on the bottom. And I guess this goes inside. Yeah, that doesn't. Does that unscrew? Oh yeah, that unscrews. I'm not gonna unscrew it though. Let's see what this is about. I got this at Amazon, you guys. I will leave the link down below in the description box. So that's all that comes in it. It comes very secure. That's cool. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.